MLBroadcast.com. Global exposure. Local results.
This home is attached by only one wall, two-story with its own front yard and backyard, over 2,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, located in the Valencia Racquet Club community of Valencia, makes this home very desirable. This is not a distressed sale or hardship case. The seller is willing to review any and all offers. There's a downstairs bedroom and 3 bedrooms upstairs, great curb appeal, and a lot that's over 4,500 square feet. The HOA is very impressive for this type of property in the area in which it is located. Call Paris or Connor McIver for any and all details at 800-760-6911, or you can reach them on the World Wide Web at paris911.com. Either way, you'll be happy you did.